To embed a video in CK-12, go ahead and pull the video from its source. So in this case, I can pull this CK-12 live video using the share option and copy the link here. When I go back to CK-12, in my edit option, I can go up to the Insert Edit Media choice, and I can simply paste this source video in here and insert that video within CK-12. You'll now see this block that's holding that place for the video for when I work. If, however, I'm going to put this as my just paste option. And now I could also choose to embed that video. So on YouTube, in addition to here, I have the embed option, and that does allow me to start at a particular point, maybe at the beginning, partway through, set some other options. I can go ahead and I can copy that and go back here. And instead of simply pasting the code, I can click on the Insert Media option and choose this embed option. From here, I would go ahead and I'd paste in my embed code and I'd save that. So we have one option where I've just pasted the source code in this case from YouTube, and another one where I embedded the video using the embed code. Both options you could use, pick and choose whichever one works best for you. Beyond videos, you can embed other resources on CK-12. So for example, if I made a Google Slides presentation, I could choose to embed that within a lesson. Now you do want to make sure that because you're sharing content within a CK-12 FlexBook, that you have the rights to include that content and share that outside of your class. In this case, I pulled content from CK-12, cited it accordingly, and I can go ahead and click the Publish to the Web option and pull this embed code. So in this case, if I publish this, I now have access to this embed code. I can go ahead and copy that and put my slides presentation. Same option, paste my embed code in, and I'm good to go. At this point in time, I can finalize this draft if I want other people to see those updates, or save it as a draft and keep working on it down the road. I just finalized this, so it's going to save those updates. And if I scroll to the bottom of this lesson, you can see here that we have the two different videos, or the same video that I embedded twice, once by pasting it and once by embedding it, as well as a slides presentation that a student could then explore within that lesson, making sure that content there is accessible, cited, and appropriate for sharing within the CK-12 platform.